Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did a top knot bun on my thick natural hair. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm on the road to 500 subscribers. I am also doing a 500 subscribers giveaway, so don't forget to check that out in the description box below. And don't forget to check out some recent videos of mine. Now let's get on to this video. Okay, so the products that you'll need is, of course, Eco Salad Gel. You know, you can't do a hairstyle without gel, honestly. And Cantu leave-in conditioner. I'll also be using conditioner. Now, this is optional. You can use either your conditioner or any leave-in conditioner you have. And also, I'll be using the Cantu edge control, and also for some extra hold on my edges, I'll be using the Gorilla Snap. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. First thing, I'm going to take my hair out of this scrunchie, yo. Don't judge my hair. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is using my spray bottle. I have water and conditioner in this, and I'm just going to be spraying. I'm spraying the roots of my hair, and I'm going to be taking my brush and brushing up the hair. You want to get the hair in place to where you want your bun or your top knot bun. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Now I'm going to be adding some leave-in conditioner and some conditioner itself. Yo, I love hair. My phone is in Jesus. Not here. Which air my from my head? Okay, wave check. Look at these waves coming in, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding my Eco Salad Gel, and this is the most important product because without gel, the hair won't stay. Okay, so for me, I'm going to be doing the top knot in sections. So I'm going to be doing the front first and then combining the back. Okay, so let me do the front first, because I want it to be looking so sleek that literally one more time. Okay, now the top is up, so I'm going to do the back. So I'm going to just add a little more gel to the back of the hair and then combine it with the front. So I'm adding some more Eco Salad Gel, and I'm adding some to the back this time, and I'm going in with my brush and I'm brushing up the back. There we go. So now I'm taking another scrunchie and I'm going to combine the back with the front. This is honestly a hand workout in itself. Like, okay, there we go. I'm tired. But I'm tired. That's okay. So let me show you the back. Let me show you what the back is looking like. Okay, so that's the back. So now what I'm going to do is just so now I'm going to taking my comb and I'm going to brush up the back because I want it to look I want it to look like it's one, but I want it to look like literally I'm gonna combine two hairstyles together. There we go. So now to get the bun effect, I want my bun to be high, and I kind of twist some of the hair around, and I'm going to pin that down with some bobby pins. You see, it's getting high already. Okay, so I'm grabbing some more bobby pins. So what you do, you just twist the hair around, twist the hair around. Okay, this is too high. Let me grab another pin. I'm taking a loose one this time. Let me find a loose one. All you do now, you just take your bobby pins and just pin it down to your liking. Let me grab another bobby pin and fix the other side. There we go. Okay, and you see my this is cute. Manana, this look good. Let me come up closer so you can see my hair. Yes, this looks really cute. Oh my god. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be doing my edges. I'm not doing anything crazy with my edges, honestly. Honestly, it's really hard to do edges on camera, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna say, I know that like it's not me alone, like I do one side perfect for your edges and the next side is like the one form, or the one is cooperate with the brush, honestly. That always happens to me, like one side edge is always like easy for do and like take literally no time. There we go. Yes. Okay, so you can add some like ear jewelry on your bun and go creative, add some like butterfly clips and all of that, or you can just leave it as it is, or you can add an head bun, or just, you know, spice it up. So this is my way of doing a top knot bun, and as you can see, I got it high. So if you want to see more videos, at least don't forget to comment down below and tell me what other hairstyle videos you want to see. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Get your girl to 500 subscribers, guys. I know I can do it. I know my supporters can do it. Get your girl there. I'm going to be doing a 500 subscribers giveaway. The instructions for it is in the description box below, and I upload every Friday, so don't forget to check out your girl's new video. Upload every Friday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.